Hello children, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are understanding whatever we are doing in the math. So children, today the day is Monday and it is 12th of July 2021. We are on the first working day of this week. So children, the thought for the day says that everything is easy if you are crazy. Nothing will be easy if you are lazy. So if you are crazy about something for your achievement, if you are crazy to achieve something, everything will be easy. But if you are lazy, nothing will be easy. So children, as you know that in this chapter we are dealing with 2D shape, that is square, rectangle, triangle and circle. So in today's class we will continue with chapter 5, shapes and designs. We have learned many things about this chapter and many things are left over. So hope you have got some idea regarding different shapes, what are the edges of the shapes, corners of the shapes, side of the shape. Yes. So let us continue with the class. In today's class, we will do page 63 to page 65. So see, many things around us have straight edge. For example, book. Yes, book. It has its edge. Chair, kite. These all have edge. Other things have curved edge. For example, you can see it is a wheel. Wheel doesn't have any edge because we have already learned that the circle shape, yes, the one which are in the circle shape, they will not have straight shape, but they will have the curve shape, curved edges. Okay, the one which are straight, they have different straight edges, and the one which are in circle form, they have curved edges. For example, you can see wheel, it has curved edges, and the petri plate, or you can see one plate over there, it also has a curved edge. So let us do the sums from here. Let us do the exercise from here. Okay children, now let us see the question. Look around you and identify things with straight and curved edge. You have to look around you. You have to do it yourself. So there are many things which are of curved edge, which has a straight edge. So you have to identify the things. Now, do the things with straight edges have corners? We have learned in the last class only that the things which have straight edge, they have corners, and the things which are circle or which have curved edges, they don't have corners. So number B, do the things with straight edge have corners? You will write yes. Y E S, yes. And do the things with curved edges have corners? No. The things with curved edge do not have corners, so you will write no here. Now try to find the things which have both straight and curved edge. You have to find the things which have both straight and curved edge. So you can write that if you have seen bicycle, yes, bicycle have both straight. In the bicycle you can see it has both straight and curved edge. So I am writing here bicycle. Bicycle. And in car also you find that in car also tires have curved edge and the car is of straight edge. Car has a straight edge. Bicycle also same, tires of a bicycle have curved edge and the bicycle itself has a straight edge. So bicycle, car, these are the things where we find both the curve and straight edge. So children, activity time is there. Activity time, I will show you the video now. Okay, you will see the video, and in the video I have shown you what you have to do. You will do the same thing and you will write the answer. Okay, I have given answer also in the video. You just have to see the video, you just have to follow the video, and you will write the answers in your book. So children, In page number 64, there is one activity in which you need to take a rectangular sheet of paper. This is a rectangular sheet of paper and we will count its corner. Okay, so if we count its corner, there are how many corner? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 corners. Now fold one of its corner. They have asked us to fold one of its corner, so I have fold one of its corner like this. You will fold it and you will count how many corners does it have now. So let us count the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There will be 5 corner. Let me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 corners. There will be 5 corner. Then after, how many corners will you get by folding 2 corners? So if I fold 2 corners, see, in the same manner I will fold 2 corners. So I will get how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners I will get, right? And again, if I fold 3 corners, I will get how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 corners. Then after, if I fold all the 4 corners, then I will get how many corners? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 corners. So we will get 8 corners. So can you fold the paper in such a way that it has only 3 corners? You are all allowed only 2 folds. So it is asked that can we fold the paper in such a way so that we will get 3 corners. So you can fold this paper in this manner. Yes. And we can fold this paper here. See. So we have got a 3 corner. We have got a 3 corner shape. That is the shape of a, which shape is this? We will get the shape of a triangle. So you will follow the same thing and you will write your answer in your book. Hope is it clear to you all? Children, this is another page. So question number 5, can you fold all the corners of the square sheet in such a way that the number of corners remain unchanged? So you know that there are 4 corners in a square sheet. So the answer is yes. You can fold the square sheet in such a way that its corner, that is 4, it will remain, the corner will remain 4 only. So you will write yes here. Now children, look at the following table and tick the names of the things that have corners. Also count the number of edge and corners in each of them. For this I have already shown you a nice video, children, where we have counted the corners, where we have counted the edge, where we have learned which one are the corners of the die or corners of the cuboid, which are the corners, edges of the cube and cuboid. So it will be easier for you now. So ball is a sphere shape. Yes, so ball, it doesn't have corners. So what you will write here? You will write no. Okay, let me enlarge the picture. Yes, you will write no. Now next, eraser. Yes, eraser, if it is a square or cuboid or cube shape, yes, it has a corner. So you will write yes. Egg, no, egg also doesn't have a corner, so you will write no. So sheet of a paper, yes, sheet of a paper has 4 corners. We have already done it. Yes, so 4 corners. Now die, number of edges. Edges means side. Yes, so the number of edges in die is, you know, it is 12. So you will write 12. In a ball there is no edge because it is a sphere. So you will write 0. In eraser, it is also, if it is a cuboid or cube shape like die, it also has 12 edges. So write 12. An egg doesn't have any edge, so you will write 0. And a sheet of a paper, how many edges are there in a sheet of a paper? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So I will write here 4. There are 4 edges in a sheet of a paper. Now children, let us do another one. Number of corners. So number of corners in a die is 8. So in a ball, number of corner, there is no corner, so you will write 0. In eraser, there are 8 corners. If you count the corners, there will be 8 corners in the eraser. In the egg also, there is no corner, so I will write 0. And in the sheet of the paper, there are 4 corners, so I will write 4. So hence we have completed this table, children. Now next, in the following figure, tick those which have corners. Do these figures have curved lines? So you have to tick the figure which have a corner. So you can see this first yellow figure, which is like somewhat looking like semicircle. Yes, not even semicircle. So this one has a corner, so I will tick this one. A square always has a corner, so I will tick this one. This one also has a corner. You can see here, here, here. Yes, these are the corners. If you don't know what are corners, this side and this side, these are the corners. So yes, it also has a corner, so I will tick this one. It doesn't have a corner, it doesn't have a corner, it doesn't have a corner, it has a corner. Yes, these all our sides are corners. So how many corners are there? It has many corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has a 10 corners. So obviously it has a corner, so I am ticking it. So using only straight lines, can you draw a figure which has no corner? So the question is, you have to use only straight lines. You can draw a figure which has no corner. So if you draw a straight line only, we cannot draw a if we are using straight line, we cannot draw a figure which has a corner, because it will form a corner. See, it is forming a corner. That is why here the answer is no. You will write no here. Let me erase it and you will write no. So the answer is N O, no. Okay, hope this much is clear to you all. So whatever we have done today is clear to you all, children. Hope it is clear to you all. So I will see you in the next class, children. If there is any problem, you can ask me. Okay, you can feel free to ask me. So thank you everyone.